In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace front sway bar end links on a Toyota Corolla. These are located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. We're going to start off by removing our wheel. Grab the hubcap and pull it off and set it aside. We're going to locate 5 21mm lug nuts. Remove these as well. Now set the wheel aside. With our wheel out of the way, we're going to locate our stabilizer end link on the side of the strut. We're going to remove this nut using a 17mm socket. Set it aside and pull the sway bar end link out. Now that the top sway bar position is free, we're going to move on to the bottom side and remove the nut using a 17mm as well. Break it loose. If the stud is spinning, insert an Allen bit into the stud to stop it from spinning. In our case, it's moving freely, so just remove the nut. Set the nut aside, and there it is. Now to reinstall our sway bar end link. Slide the top portion through the strut. You may have to realign your studs. And the bottom on the sway bar. Now hand thread on your fasteners. Now snug these down. As you can see, our stud is spinning, so I'm going to secure it with a 5mm Allen key. Remove your wrench and your Allen key. Since we cannot fit a torque wrench in this lower position due to the subframe, we're going to snug this down and do a quarter turn. So put your wrench on, put your Allen bit back, and snug it down and do a quarter turn. Remove the Allen key and the wrench. We're going to do the same for our top fastener. Once it's snug, do a quarter turn. Remove your Allen key and your wrench. Let's reinstall our wheel. Put it into place. And hand thread on your 5 lug nuts. Snug these down in an alternating pattern. We're going to torque these down to 76 foot-pounds in an alternating pattern. Now we're going to reinstall our hubcap. Line up the valve stem with the cutout on the hubcap. Once it's lined up, push down. And that completes our install. Take the vehicle for a road test, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.